5 best ways to consume fennel seeds for better results. 1. Chew after meals. Aid digestion and enjoy a natural breath freshener. Remember, enjoy in moderation, as excessive chewing may lead to overstimulation. 2. Brew a cuppa. Steep 1 tsp of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 minutes. Strain and sip for a soothing digestive tea. Note: limit to 1–2 cups a day. Excess may disrupt sleep. 3. Sprinkle on salad. Add a pinch for a burst of flavor and digestive goodness. Caution: a pinch is plenty. Too much may overpower other flavors. 4. Infuse water. Drop a few seeds into water. Stay refreshed with a hint of fennel. But wait, moderate intake is enough. Excessive fennel water may lead to overconsumption. 5. DIY mouth freshener. Mix fennel seeds with cardamom. Your homemade breath refresher is ready, but balance is key. Overuse may impact the taste buds. Cherish fennel's charm with a sprinkle of caution. Follow Ambe's Kitchen for regular spice updates.